Hello, hello, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, I want to talk about Germany. I want to talk about Germany, the way people today talk about Germany. So today, I want to choke my mouth today too. So where people go, because they get one guy where they deport for Germany, where people come begin, they talk. People, they talk, One thing when una no dey understand, na everywhere for the happen. When you don't get document, what do you expect for country where you dey, my people? What do you expect? You expect me to just embrace you when you stay like that? No. When you don't get permit, they feel deport you at any time. You dey expect them because you don't get what you did, they waka. Me don't understand. If they deport, they don't say Germany too bad. But they do it for Italy too. They do it for everywhere. Not for only Germany. But the thing will just come like, they surprise me. The way people they talk calm, like say now only Germany, the thing they happen. They happen for another place. They happen. Not only Germany. They happen for everywhere. Not only Germany, they happen, my people. But now just can't take Germany, like say now one kind. They say Germany now they bad. They not they bad, my people. The one that they reason the thing. They not they bad. These people where they some way be say they'll say they collect picking from Mamo. They not they tell the truth. Before they collect picking from you, you get what you don't do. You get what they notice from your picking, and they get what you do before they'll say they want collect picking. That is number one. But they know they talk truth. If they want carry on social media, they can't talk on that thing. They talk saying so Germany not they bad. The one that they reason the thing like say Germany, they not they bad, They not they bad like that. If you don't get document, you expect deportation. Even though you born 100 pikin for year, we be say you not get paper, they must deport you one day. Okay, say one way happen, my people. You say you not get document. You not get document that they say you can't come out. Your wife born. You not get you tell them say you don't get passport. But when you want to put do father shaft, you can't see passport bring come out. What they ask you the passport and you say he lost. How they want to believe us? They don't say a lie with a lie. How they want to believe you? When not they talk, if they can't deport that one tomorrow, and you know go talk what you do. You go say Germany they bad. Then they go talk. Germany not they bad. Like that woman when they deport that time. You see, now he put ourselves for problem. But the deport and finish, begin the chat now. So this, that, or Germany. Germany not they bad. The one that they reason them. They're not they bad. They are nice people. Okay, on that thing where we say our women they do for year too. They will tell and say they will give you documents. Go school. You go say okay. Before you know, before you reach time, they say you go to start school. They go carry belly. You go want bomb picking. You go bomb picking finish. Picking not go grow. You don't carry on that one. Why they not go verse with us? They must verse. You see, they no carry picking for Kidavagi, double Kidavagi, they go carry and follow everywhere they go. If you look the children, they're not be twins. Because the other one, it could born for one. Because they don't want to go to school. And that school, you don't go feel escape. That be one thing where they don't understand. You cannot escape it. You must go. You must go to school. If you not go, they go to wait for you for time. If you want to renew your paper, now they go to wait for you. When you go reach time, you want to renew your paper, now they'll tell you, say, my dear, your document where you not renew, where you know school where you not go. Now make them not want to renew your paper for you. You just say now joke. And they don't go really do one. They want just say and say you they go. But we are doing ourselves. But what they say with we too much, with the guide them. Not lie. We they do ourselves, we not they guide them. So if they deport you, talk the truth, talk what you do. Not be say you they lie. Say Germany they bad. And so Germany do this. And so Germany do that. I say I want to get the same. Yeah, advise people. If you date Italy, stay there. Stay there. They don't force you. You know what? I don't have to wait on the faith to understand. Those people not send a letter say when they come their country. Now you by yourself use your 2 legs they come. So my dear, anything you see, bear them. If they deport you, bear them. You know why? They not fair call you, may you come. And you use your 2 legs come. And you don't get documents where you to the worker. So you just expect say they'll just embrace you. May you day like that without documents. It's not possible. It's not possible. You're the one for the happen. You must get documents where you did the work. If you don't get, you dey expect them at any time. You must expect them. You that one a must. That one a dorere. You must expect them, my dear. Even though they'll say they want to deport them now, they'll go to born picking. I just delete them. Even though you born 100 for them, they must deport you if they want to deport you. Even though you born dozen for them, if they want to deport you when the time they must deport you. Don't wait when the picking grows small, they'll deport you. Because after all, you not get birth certificate. That is one thing we don't understand. At least when they use respect, they do all those, because even though they give us benefits, they pay on now. Maybe they use respect. We go just they bonbon like say nah. If now you they bring the money with to take care of the pig, you just the bonbon like that. You don't go even let picking grow small. You don't carry on that belly. Before that one, the way some go take look you sometimes, you go the shame. Would they go take look you sometimes. Who will take am easy now? Who will take am easy? Okay, see the other guy, the other time, they see they want the bottom. He run, go stay in woman's house. Nobody know information to reach their hand. They can't find her for there. The next day, this boy go from window, go jump. But now you disfigure yourself now. Your body don't finish now. All because of deportation. But when would they do the right thing if you come place? But one thing one not do you understand? I'm money that they find money. You where they use person documents till they work. You know they do you they do yourself. Because that person now in the okay. JJJ, you the help out the build the paper. Why you not find money as you don't gather small money? Go do your own. Find money, take go look for your own documents. May you get. Tomorrow now they cash you now they deport you. You see Germany they bad. Now go begin to talk with you now I don't see. People go begin to talk. But you not go talk with you now do. More na they talk with you now do. More na they talk with the written way the country. Not say the lie. One na they go they talk, they go say Germany they bad. They not they bad like that, the one na the reason now. If you don't get permit now everywhere. When you not get what you did the worker, you they expect deportation at any time, my dear. Yeah. And another thing again, they will give you paper, you know, one work. You say na G now you want go to do the worker. But they go they cash you. When you know say you know the work. And you know they do them. And yourself you they do for that work. When time go reach when you go take pension, you go suffer. You go suffer as you don't go get to sleep. You go to sleep all those old may house. And now only in the night you they come they sleep. Because you know pay tax for their country. Now if you want to one or not they understand. Work they very, very good. But some people don't know. They hear the feel say this are money that they give that they enjoy them. My dear, express they leave you. Go and walk. Go and walk. I don't just understand the way some people can just put themselves for laziness or because they benefit whether they collect. They'll just there as no, no work what they do. Now need to they give their women belly. Maybe they bonbon with picking never reach 1 year, double another one. Picking never reach 1 year, double another one. If you see them for outside, though, the children go dirty like another thing because because even one self the stress they will give for ourselves. I talk less of saying person can't get 5 for his house. Now no reason I go be. Go they suffer because some men they just carry vehicle where they waka. They don't even get the one with the day for their wife. Now they to just they give a belly. One a single happy, not even day with the happy woman. Some men they like that. They day. So I just want to do this short video for this our Jama with the talk about they spoil them. Jama, they not they bad. Now we go behave ourselves. Now we now go behave ourselves. Maybe they good for the country. Maybe the lie way they will they talk. Maybe they talk the real thing. Maybe they talk truth. Maybe lie. Because Africans not to they lie. One of they talk the real thing way they the country. Maybe the lie way they. My people, I just want to do this short video. Just to talk about this Germany, because it don't think when I want to talk, I will just still forget talking on that thing. So I said today, no, I must choke my mouth. But and you where they want the deport, where they go to jump. I remember I want to jump again. When I know they jump again. Now someone I go jump for this thing that time too. For where be this place? So I don't forget this place where all those guys will come. They spend money anyhow. Malaysia. And so one guy go for dead that time. Or because of the one deporter. That one, the way he be now, he will die better person. He will die. You just be a better person. You know? You don't disfigure yourself all because of deportation. God forbid bad thing. Because of deportation, I will say I want to die. God forbid that this world just rich. I'll say I die. May God not agree. The day when I go even reason that kind of thing, may God remove them fast from my body. God forbid. You, because of deportation. You know whether if they ever carry you go your country, you go even make and pass the Europe where you fare every day. You don't go no. I know of one guy that time, now so deportation. Police, they arrest and they arrest and they arrest them. They come finally deport him. If you say I'm for Nigeria, a big boy, it dey okay for Nigeria. Even past Europe. If you ask an answer, after you not come Europe again, you say God forbid bad thing. It dey okay. You can't even make money past the way you fare before Europe. So police now they catch at that time. So you know they even if you stay if they leave on today, maybe you just spend like 1 week again for outside. The next week again they don't arrest them. So now so arrest. You just come Europe, can't do that time. But now he's a big boy in Nigeria. It's okay. You understand? That be one thing when I know they understand. The position now just all of them one just die. I remember I want to jump again. I want to jump again. Because you go only disfigure yourself. They feel leave you, but you now you know they okay. You know they okay. Maybe you know if you work out again for the rest of your life. Who they work out self no even see but the close of who know they even work out. You go hard. Or maybe one eye don't blind. Or maybe your brain not even correct again because of your head where you knock for ground. You know, move the reason is for what they do things here. Move the reason I'm a beg. Now they jump again because of deportation. The deport you will not be the end of the world. Not be the end of the world. It will happen. Not be you start down. The people go even laugh you for how many days. The rest days they just stop. They don't forget. Who go to talk about you again? Like that girl when they pour that time when they talk about that time. Oh hey, social media carry fire at that time. But now nobody remember them again. Everybody just forget. Now on that topic they come there again now. This girl with the wakada day now they say destiny. But nobody remember now. Everybody just forget. Now when they just read that time, everybody will just talk about now. Everybody just forget now. Everybody don't forget. You understand? So I beg, killing not be the right thing for deportation. My people, more they talk the truth. For if they deport you, more they talk the truth, the real thing, not be the fake things when I'm going to talk about. I beg, my people. So thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.